Hey guys, what's up? So I have a misfire code, and not sure why it happens. As you can see, the service engine soon light is on. Yes, I know it's on because of the keys just on position, but when I actually turn it on, it stays on. And so when I go in here, that's just my radio. Anyway, okay. I open up OBD Auto Doctor. Yes, I know it's running trial mode. So let's open a new connection. Connecting to my Bluetooth adapter that I have plugged into the OBD2 port. Okay, and it's now connected. Trouble codes P0120 throttle position sensor. Need to get that changed out. And also 300 code for multiple random cylinder misfire. See if there's anything. No. There is freeze frame. So. And it's only going to give me a few because I'm still in trial. I don't plan on buying the software anytime soon. I just wanted to read the error codes. See what it says about a 300 code. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to find the mouse. Okay. Engine is almost up to operating temperature. Yeah. So. I don't have that set up. Anyway, so yeah, basically, the trouble code is basically the 300 and the 120. Probably won't be able to look at the IM monitors because. Oh, they're just telling me all the codes that are all the sensors that are supported in my engine. Ignition timing, that could be handy. And also the throttle position. I'll have to do a test on that later. But yeah. Anyway, talk to you guys later.